inspection of the scavenging space and which kind of measurements I'm performing and what is necessary to take all safety precautions during entering to the enclosed space. Stay with me on my channel and enjoy. Welcome to my new video. As you can see, I already entered into the scavenging receiver of the main engine. Right now, here with me is all the time oxygen detector, which is measuring oxygen level of oxygen and toxic gases. Last night we opened main engine scavenging receiver, and under piston space we were ventilated all night this space, because this is considered as an enclosed space, and as we know very well, every enclosed space is space which is not properly ventilated or which consists some toxic gases and lack of the oxygen. To avoid any dead casualties or injuries, we ventilated proper as per all safety precautions. And now all the time with me it's oxygen detector and detector for other toxic gases, and now we can carry out measurements which we need for main engine under piston space checking. What we are checking here, I will just introduce unit number 1. I have here 6 units. Right now I'm sailing on the main engine MAN MCC, that is a with camshaft MAN engine. It is an old type of the conventional engines. It's not new electronical engines, MEC or MEB, it's MCC. Almost 14,000 kilowatts. We are here in the Mexico. I forgot the name of the port, close to Veracruz. Then, now I will carry out piston rim clearances, top land inspection, cylinder liner inspection, scavenging ports inspection, to observe any metal particles into the under piston space, amount of the sludge, how much were collected per unit. Then I will take the photos of the injectors, cylinder liner from the inner surface, and any suspicion of observation, if I will observe, I have to record that and write that as per maintenance manual how it should be. Plus, what is more important, I will explain for unit number 1 only, and later on I will switch off the camera and then I will carry out 5 remaining, because it will be take so long time to carry out all. Afterwards I will check non-return flaps from Alva blowers and nothing else. And everything what is more important I will carry out for the unit number 1. For all this operation included several persons. Before all this operation, this morning in the control room we have toolbox talk meeting to see how much of us are familiarized in this situation and preparation of everything. Plus we issued work permit and risk assessment. later on I will record that, and finally when I will take all measurements, I will compare all that measurements with maintenance manual from the man maker, and then if is everything correspond and within the limits, I can issue report which I will send to the company, which we are doing on the monthly basis or every 500 running hours. I hope that young engineers such as junior engineers will be teach also from this video which part is more dangerous and which part they need to pay attention on that as good observation, and that this video will be help to the others. Stay with me and then watch. Here, of course, I forgot to say, in all this section, it's including several persons. The ratings are cleaning from the under piston side, and engineer should be on the entrance, on the main engine scavenging receiver in this way. Fourth engineer holding the camera and he recording me, and he is all the time in communication with me to be the link between me and chief engineer in the control room, and chief engineer is also in communication with the officer on watch in case of some fatalities or injuries or dizziness or anything. The rescue team will become here to evacuate me. But as I said already, safety is always first. All the time the dredger is with me. It's measuring 20.9% of the oxygen level. It means that oxygen level is enough. And then we will carry out all this job maybe for 3 to 4 hours, because I have to carry so many, I have to make so many photos which I need to update in the monthly report and then send it to the company. Okay, we will start first with number 1. Okay guys, now we are close to the cylinder unit number 1. From 1, always counting opposite, not from the flywheel. I've been also on Wärtsilä and Schulzer. On Wärtsilä and Schulzer, number of the cylinder starting to counting from flywheel to the forward. It means from aft to the forward, but on 1 is opposite, from forward to aft. Now we are here close to the number 1. Now I'm observing amount of the sludge. It's not too much. This is the oil from the cylinder daily tank. This is the telescopic pipe. No any leakages of the lubricating pipe. Now scavenging ports are good. They are not so sharpened. Plus this is the top ground, top part of the piston inside. And then I will put the camera inside and then take the photo and also check the liner surface from inside. Maybe you cannot see it good. This, what you can see, it's scavenging ports. There is passive scavenging air. Now unit number 1. And then down I check also stuffing box. It's also good. It's also good. In good condition, no any abnormalities. One more attention, always bring this remote with you, with engineer together to carry out why I'm saying that. Maybe during measuring you will put the fingers inside and somebody will be turned the engine and then will be cut your fingers. It is a safety precautions. Now I will take the photos of this, and then later on I will move the piston upwards so that I can inspect all 4 piston rings, carry out piston ring clearances and carry out piston ring coatings with Elcometer special device. See here, as we can see, not too much carbon deposits, everything is okay, and then we can start to move upwards to inspect first and second piston ring. As we can see it, first, second, third and fourth piston rings. Now we will carry out measurements of the piston ring clearance. Here, here and here. And this one gap also is very important as per maker manual, instruction manual. And then first of all, what I'm checking its movement of the piston rings. I'm turning with the remote control down, up, to observe if some of them are seizured or stuck. This is also a very important thing to notice that. Okay, as I can see, all of them are moving nicely. And then I'm going down, and later I'm going now up. And all of them are shifted down so that I can insert here, here, and here, and here feeler gauge. That is the special device for measuring piston ring clearances. Afterwards, I will measure the coating with special alcometer device. Okay, here we have 040 feeler gauge. I'm trying to insert, but it's not going. It's not going. Then we will put 030 feeler gauge. Okay, it's going. It means first piston ring clearance 030. 030. Yeah, and we are going on the second one, also 030. We will try to put 040. It's not going. It means second piston ring 030. Now we will try to put third one piston ring 030. And the fourth one, we cannot put 030, we will put 025. 025, it means 030, 030, 030, 025. All four piston rings carry out measurements. What is more important, also no any black patches, scratches. Coating is a little bit more out. Then we will now carry out measurement with alcometer for the coatings. Now I will carry out measurement coatings with alcometer. Here it's special device alcometer, and now I will measure coatings. Then we can read out 343 piston number 1, please. Yeah, we are doing like that. 343 piston ring number 1, piston ring number 2. 282, piston ring number 3, 265, and piston ring number 4, 272. This coatings is very important to see how much piston rings are scratched out and how much is a awareness regarding that. Are we need to increase cylinder lubrication or decrease? Now on this vessel we installed new blender unit which is blending cylinder oil together with main engine use system oil. That will be separated on my channel, well explained. That was installed by the technical service from Denmark, and on my channel will be more detailed explained regarding that. That is some new technology we did not try yet. We should try in the next 7 to 10 days, and it will be on my channel. Now we have to lift up piston upwards, of course. We are now going upwards, that we can inspect piston skirt. Okay, a little bit clean by the rocks. Take a photo. Piston skirt together with copper ring. It's also important, this copper ring to check. Piston skirt is in good condition. Okay, we are going upward. check a little bit inside these bolts. Make also one separate photo with third and fourth piston ring. This is just for our scavenging report. Made that. Okay guys, that's all for the unit number 1. Each of unit I have to make like that. Unit number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It will be take maybe 3 hours more. It's pretty hot here, as you can see. I am wearing special boiler suit for this. This is disposable plastic suit. Because here, this cylinder oil, it's a little bit dirty. And it's special oil which is burning out. As you can see here from my finger. This is the burns. And it's very hard to wash overall after that. I hope that this video will be help, especially to the juniors and also to cadets, to see how it looks under piston space area. What is the most important here, to check piston ring seizures, carbon deposits, patches, scratches, and as per that estimation we are evaluating should we increase cylinder lubrication or decrease, or what we will do then upon as per instruction manual. Thank you for watching this. See you later on when I will go out and when I will create a report. That's it. And you see it now. Later on we have to investigate non-return flaps here, and then inside we get, as you can see, maybe down we have a impeller from the auxiliary motor, and each cylinder unit I have to investigate. Same, carry out same measurements as I carry out the number 1. See you later on for rating report. Okay guys, we are done here. As I already said, it must be clean like that. We already carry out inspections. All then we clean like that. It should be nice, clean. Each cylinder is like that. As you can see. Sorry guys. Voila. Yeah. Each of them like that. Must be clean. Yeah. Including scavenging receiver. Now. Hey, Adam. Come on, here. Oleg. Come. One big best regards from, we cannot say name of the ship, it's breaching the company social media policy and regulation, just from the oil product tanker. Huge big regards. These guys also deserves to say congratulations for cleaning, including our whole stuff. They are already made with me this morning toolbox meeting and all these safety precautions which is necessary to enter here in enclosed space. Remember, safety is the first. Always oxygen detector is carrying with you. I have never leave them to be here alone without 5%. We are already acting here as a team on the ship. We are nothing not doing alone. Always is a team work. It should be And that's it. See you with more vlogging. Like this video if you like, subscribe and enjoy. Best regards. Hayde. Filipino crew with a Russian guy there. Hayde guys. Also make measurements of this. Okay guys, we're done with our inspection. Here, as we can see it, this gap D0246 and this D0218 and D0219 on used rings should be maximum on the new rings and new parts 0.43mm and 0.92mm, and deepness of this groove 1.3 maximum. All of them we have within range, and this from this table I will update here in the computer here in our monthly report with all photos. As you can see, I will update all measurements, and that's all, nothing else. Remember, before every work we issue this enclosed space entry, which we check oxygen detector and everything. On this list we have everything what we need to carry out all safety precautions, and then persons who are involved in this action, name of them, signatures, person who was attending and person who was on the bridge, head of the department, name of the master and everything. That's all guys. I hope that you learned something from this video and that you enjoyed. See you with the next more instructions from here by Marine Engineering side. I forget to say, our main engine is a MAN MCC 2-stroke main engine, which is almost 14,000 kilowatts. This is the old type of conventional engine. It's not new camless electronical engine, it's old type engine with a camshaft. See you, and always consult with instruction manual. In this case I'm keeping maintenance manual. We have 4 edition books of the main engine: operation, maintenance, spare parts and final drawings. This one with me is maintenance manual, which is the maintenance manual for the main engine. Always this one will protect your life and your engine. Stay with me on my channel, subscribe, like, and see you.